Hello viewers. Today we will talk about the physiographic divisions of India. India's physical features are highly diverse and can be classified into following divisions: Himalayan mountains, northern plains, peninsular plateau, Indian desert, coastal plains, and the islands. The Himalayas, world's highest mountain range, form a natural barrier along India's northern borders. Spanning about 2,500 kilometers from the Indus to the Brahmaputra, their width ranges from 400 km in the west to 150 km in the east. The Himalayas may be divided into three parallel ranges: Greater Himalayas or Himadri, Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, Outer Himalayas or Shivaliks. The Greater Himalayas, Himadri, form the northernmost and the highest range, averaging about 6,000 meters in height. It houses peaks above 8,000 meters, including Mount Everest 8,848 meter and Kanchenjunga. This snowbound range is home to major glaciers, high passes like Nathula and Jojila, and the origins of many rivers like Ganga and Yamuna. The Lesser Himalayas, Himachal, lie between 1,000 to 4,500 meters, featuring famous ranges like Pir Panjal and Dhauladhar. This region hosts scenic hill stations like Shimla, Mussoorie, and Darjeeling, along with valleys such as Kashmir and Kullu. The Outer Himalayas, Shivaliks, are the outermost range, with elevation between 900 to 1100 meters. These low hills include Jammu Hills and the valleys known as dunes. Beyond the Himalayas, the Trans-Himalayan ranges include Zanskar, Ladakh, and Karakoram ranges, home to K2 mountain peak, the world's second highest peak. The Purvanchal Hills, located in the east, include the Mishmi, Patkoi, Naga and Mizo Hills, along with Meghalaya's Garo, Khasi and Jaintia Hills. The northern plains, located between the Himalayas and the peninsular plateau. The northern plains stretch about 2,400 kilometers from Punjab to Assam, formed by the Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra river system. These plains are among the world's most fertile regions, covering states like Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Assam. They support major crops like wheat, rice and sugarcane. Rich alluvial soil and irrigation make this region a key contributor to India's food production. The Indian desert lies toward the western margin of the Aravalli Hills and is also called the Thar Desert. This region has semi-arid and arid weather conditions. It receives less than 150 mm of rainfall per year. Luni is the main river in this area. The Peninsular Plateau. The river Narmada divides the Peninsular Plateau into two parts: the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Central Highlands extends from the Narmada River and the northern plains. The Aravallis are the important mountain range that extends from Gujarat through Rajasthan to Delhi. The highest peak of Aravalli Hills is Guru Shikhar, about 1,722 meters. The Central Highlands consists of Malwa Plateau, Marwad Plateau, Bundelkhand Plateau, Baghelkhand Plateau and Chota Nagpur Plateau. The Deccan Plateau encompasses the area located south of the Narmada River and is in the shape of an inverted triangle. The Deccan Plateau is broadly divided into the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats. The Western Ghats are continuous mountain ranges run parallel to the western coast for about 1,600 kilometers and is locally known as Sahyadri in Maharashtra. The average elevation of Western Ghats is 900 to 1,600 meters. The famous peaks in this area are Doda Beta, Annamudi and Mukurthi Peak. The highest peak in this region is Annamudi with 2,695 meter. Major rivers like Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri originates from Western Ghats. The Eastern Ghats are a discontinuous low belt. Their average elevation is 600 meters. They run parallel to the east coast from the south of the Mahanadi Valley to the Nilgiri Hills. Nilgiri Hills is the junction point of Eastern Ghats and Western Ghats. The coastal plains in India run parallel to the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal along the peninsular plateau. The western coastal plain is a narrow belt along the Arabian Sea, about 10 to 20 kilometers wide. It stretches from the Run of Kutch to Kanyakumari. The eastern coast runs along the Bay of Bengal and is wider than the western coastal plains, with an average width of about 120 kilometers. The coastal plains are belts for growing spices, rice, coconut, paper, etc. They are the centers of trade and commerce. The islands. India has two main groups of islands. There are 204 islands in the Bay of Bengal called Andaman and Nicobar Islands and 43 islands in the Arabian Sea called the Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands extend from north to south in the Bay of Bengal and are bigger in size. An active volcano is located on the barren island in the Andaman and Nicobar group. The Lakshadweep Islands are located near the Malabar coast of the Kerala in the Arabian Sea. They cover an area of about 32 square kilometers. These islands are formed by corals and endowed with a variety of flora and fauna. So this is the basic overview of physiographic divisions of India. Can you tell us in comments over how many Indian states does the Deccan Plateau extend? Hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more content.